Let's get some roses in the ground. So spring is coming around and we are very excited to just get some plants planted. And roses was our first pick. We went to Home Depot and picked some up. And in today's video, we're going to be using Anleolife's raised beds. So these are their circular 2-pack raised beds and we are so excited. They're beautiful. They come in gray and white. We did choose the gray color. It is so nice in our garden